Next, let's go to the next problem, which is this. Okay, what is given for an LTI system? Frequency response is given by h of j omega equal to 1 by 3 plus j omega, and output of the system is given to be this signal. We have to find the input. Okay, because we are talking about LTI system, so let us first draw the block diagram. So x of t is passed through an LTI system. Okay, x of t is passed through an LTI system, and let the output be y of t. So what the LTI system has? This fellow has impulse response, or what is given? It is given that frequency response of this system is how much? 1 by 3 plus j omega. And what is given? Y of t is given to be e power minus 3t u of t minus e power minus 4t u of t. That is given. So question is what? H of j omega is given, y of t is given, so we have to find out what is x of t. Okay, so because frequency response of the LTI system is given, which is in frequency domain, let us convert the whole problem into frequency domain notation. Okay, so x of t will have what as Fourier transform? X of j omega. Y of t will have y of j omega as the Fourier transform. How are these three fellows related now? X of j omega, h of j omega, and y of j omega. So definitely we know that y of j omega equal to x of j omega multiplied with h of j omega. So we know h of j omega, we know y of t. So from y of t you can find y of j omega. What will be y of j omega here? This should be equal to 1 by, this flow will have 3 plus j omega, minus this flow will have 1 by 4 plus j omega as the Fourier transform. Okay, so this simplifies to, if you take LCM and simplify, you will get 1 by 3 plus j omega multiplied with 4 plus j omega. That would be the Fourier transform of y of t. Okay, yeah, so that is a separate case. I'll put a bracket here. Okay, so y of j omega we found out to be this. H of j omega we already know that it is 1 by 3 plus j omega. So let us substitute here. So we get 1 divided by 3 plus j omega multiplied with 4 plus j omega. So we got this answer, right? Y of j omega to be equal to this, which is equal to x of j omega multiplied with h of j omega is how much? 4 plus, sorry, h of j omega is 3 plus j omega. So what will happen here? This 3 plus j omega will get cancelled out. This gives us x of j omega to be equal to 1 by 4 plus j omega. So clearly this implies what? What will be our x of t? Which signal will have 1 by 4 plus j omega as the Fourier transform? E power minus 4t u of t. So that would be the signal, input signal x of t. Okay.